Hi, good evening, friends. This is Nurullah with you all. Today, I would like to share with you two or three small English tips. Normally, we used to commit these mistakes while we speak in English, and we never realized that this is mistaken. By the way, the quality of English, in terms of its grammar, the construction of sentences, and the quality as a whole, determines your image as well while you speak with someone in English. Okay, number one, let's talk about the first mistake that normally commit. Sometimes you used to hear from one of your friends or known people, or you used to watch someone saying, "I can able to do that. If you give me a chance, I can able to prove myself." But this sentence is wrong. Can and able to cannot come together. Even in one of my previous videos, I highlighted this. I would like to re-emphasize and reiterate on this. Why? Because can and able to means the same. Either you can say, I can do this, I can prove myself if I'm given an opportunity, or I'm able to do that if I'm given an opportunity. So you can either tell, I can do, or I'm able to do. I cannot do, or I'm not able to do, or I'm unable to do. And you cannot say, I cannot able to do, and I can unable to do, something like this actually. Because this is duplicate words, this cannot be told like this. Second example, uh, you normally hear this word. I don't know nothing about this subject. As a flow, you could feel that this is correct. If someone says, I don't know nothing about on this subject, nothing about this subject or nothing on this subject. And it cannot be like that. The correct sentence should be, I don't know anything about this subject, because I don't means do not. Nothing means nothing. So do not and nothing. So do not is already covered with nothing. So you should tell, I know nothing about the subject, or I don't know anything about the subject. And you should not say, I don't know nothing about the subject. The third one for today, which normally we used to commit this mistake, I did a blunder mistake by meeting him. What does it mean? You wanted to tell that you did a mistake, you committed a mistake, but you are trying to show your vocabulary, due to which you are telling, you are adding one additional vocabulary. I have done a blunder mistake. It cannot be like that. You cannot say that I did or I have done a blunder mistake. Why? Blunder means mistake. So both are the same words. All right. So either you can say I did a great mistake by meeting him, or I did a blunder by meeting him. Something like this. So you cannot add these two words, blunder, mistake, together at the same time, which is not correct. Hope this is of benefit for you guys, and let's meet in another interesting and useful video. Thank you so much guys for watching this. Have a fantastic day ahead.